So probably once a month we get a question regarding programming trouble with the PRO5196 line of discontinued Locknetics lock sets, and a lot of the time we try to pick up where the problem has stopped or prohibited someone from moving forward by saying, let's clear the memory, if that's possible. I'll ask a client, how many codes work it now? If we clear the memory, is that going to be a problem? Do you have 75 codes that are out there and you don't know 74 of them? If it's permissible to reset the memory, let's do that first to get you back working. Clients will call, it's an airport terminal. Airport security these days has been for years, super critical. Access according to proper credentials is super crucial. Clearing memory is on page 2 in the upper left-hand corner of the Locknetics programming manual for this lock. Clearing the memory deletes all user data and restores the factory default code functions on the right side. Clearing the memory a second time restores relock delay timer defaults as well. I would suggest don't change that. If you need to set a specific amount of time before a relock occurs, you can reset it twice. On the electronics board, meaning you must have access to the inside, you're going to disassemble the lock and get the back trim plate off. And on the electronics board, as you pull that out and look at it, you're going to see the clear button. You're going to hit that 3 times. You're going to depress and release 3 times. The red LED lights will come on for about 10 seconds. Some people have said 3. They come on for a little bit. That is indicating all the data is cleared. Once you've cleared it, you need to know what is the default programming code or mode, and that is the number in the lower right-hand corner, 97531. Prime numbers, 97531. And not prime numbers. I didn't mean to say that. Odd numbers is what I meant to say. Odd numbers, not 7531. So you've cleared the memory. Let's get you back working. Here's all you need to do. You're going to enter your 97531 programming code. Hit the star button once. Let's start over. There are 3 steps. Step 1, enter the programming code 97531. Hit the star button once. Step 2, hit the number 3, press the star button once. Step 3, enter your new code. Whatever it is. Enter your new code between 3 and 8 digits. Hit the star button 3 times. That's it. Confirm your code works. You should get an alternating lights when you enter programming mode. You should get that same happy result when you've correctly entered you've got a new code set. So let's go over it again. Programming code 97531, hit the star button, hit the number 3, hit the star button, enter your new code to whatever you want it to be between 3 and 8 digits long, hit the star button 1, 2, 3 times. That should get you back in business. You can you can change the programming code. Now, when you look at the table on page 1, depressing the 3 and the star, the 3 tells the computer inside the lock what you want to do. That means add code is what it means. Once you enter programming code, then you hit the 3. That means, oh, you want to tell me codes. Okay, that's great. The other functions are there as well as changing the root programming code, because that's not a confidential number. That's the default firmware, default programming mode. So you'd probably want to change that once you get an installation done and complete. But these instructions will get you back at least to basic operations, where you then hopefully have the confidence to move on and make the other modifications necessary. Thank you very much.